Meanwhile, the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has addressed a massive election rally in Jammu and Kashmir's Udhampur region on Friday. He was campaigning for Union Minister Jitendra Singh, who is contesting the upcoming polls from the Udhampur Lok Sabha seat. In a key statement, PM Modi said that J&K assembly polls will be held soon, while its statehood will also be restored. In a packed rally amidst high security, Modi said that the Lok Sabha elections are taking place in Jammu and Kashmir without the fear of terrorism and cross-border firing. He also assured centre's commitment of restoring statehood to Jammu and Kashmir and conducting assembly elections in the Union Territory. The central government had in August of 2019 abrogated Article 370. It gave a special status to Jammu and Kashmir and bifurcated it into two Union Territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Assembly polls have not yet taken place in the territory since Article 370's abrogation. Modi in his rally also slammed the opposition parties over dynasty politics that he said has caused damage to the territory.
मोदी विकसित भारत के लिए विकसित जम्मू कश्मीर के निर्माण की गारंटी दे रहा है, लेकिन कांग्रेस, नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस, पीडीपी और बाकी सारे दल जम्मू कश्मीर को फिर उन पुराने दिनों की तरफ ले जाना चाहते हैं.
The Lok Sabha elections in Jammu and Kashmir will be conducted in 5 phases, with voting in each of the 5 parliamentary constituencies of the Union Territory to be held in each phase. For more, our correspondent Idris Lone has sent us this report from Srinagar. Listen to this.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi was on a visit to the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. He visited Udhampur area in Jammu region where he addressed a public rally. While speaking to the people, Prime Minister said that the statehood will be restored in Jammu and Kashmir very soon, and J&K will also witness state elections in the coming days. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also spoke about Article 370 and said it was one of the best decisions that the government took because Jammu and Kashmir has been on the road to development after a revocation of Article 370 in 2019. He said this is the first election that the political parties in Jammu and Kashmir will be fighting on subjects like development and not on issues like separatism, militancy, as well as bordering issues. He also attacked parties like Congress, National Conference and PDP for dynastic politics, as well as saying that these political parties want to take back to Kashmir to the older times of regression, and that is not what the people of the country want. With video journalist Feroz, Idris Lone for WION World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.